Hi listeners, welcome back to Kokajin channel, learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today we're going to study some vocabularies. Let's start the lesson now.
Grow. Because of the warm climate, oranges grow very well here.
Tanam, tumbuh, karena iklim yang hangat. Jeruk tumbuh sangat baik di sini.
I used to see a lot of oranges growing here, but I don't anymore.
Dulu saya melihat banyak jeruk tumbuh di sini, tapi sekarang tidak lagi.
Last year the farmer grew corn on this land. I don't know what he'll grow this year.
Tahun lalu petani menanam jagung di lahan ini. Saya tidak tahu apa yang akan dia tanam tahun ini.
If your land had been fertile, you could have grown tobacco.
Jika tanah Anda subur, Anda bisa menanam tembakau.
Raise. In this flat country people raise cattle.
Beternak. Di negeri datar ini orang beternak sapi.
I'm raising chickens this year.
Saya beternak ayam tahun ini.
Mr. Cooper raises cattle on his farm, doesn't he?
Tuan Cooper memelihara ternak di ladangnya bukan?
I've often raised chickens, but I've never raised pigs.
Saya sering beternak ayam, tapi saya tidak pernah beternak babi.
Be shipped. Milk, butter and cheese are shipped here from the dairy farms.
Dikirim, susu, mentega, dan keju dikirim ke sini dari peternakan sapi perah.
The books you want were shipped to you 3 months ago.
Buku yang Anda inginkan telah dikirimkan kepada Anda 3 bulan lalu.
If the books had been shipped several months ago, I would have gotten them by now.
Jika buku-buku itu dikirim beberapa bulan yang lalu, saya pasti sudah mendapatkannya sekarang.
Cut down. They had to cut down a lot of trees to make room for farms.
Menebang. Mereka harus menebang banyak pohon untuk memberi ruang bagi pertanian.
They're cutting down all the trees in this area.
Mereka menebang semua pohon di daerah ini.
Who cut this tree down? Do you know?
Siapa yang menebang pohon ini? Apakah kamu tahu?
If I had cut that tree down, I would have told you about it.
Jika saya telah menebang pohon itu, saya akan memberi tahu kamu.
Plow. At this time of the year farmers plow their fields.
Bajak. Pada musim ini para petani membajak sawah mereka.
He always plows his fields in September or October.
Dia selalu membajak ladangnya pada bulan September atau Oktober.
I wish I had finished plowing the fields this morning.
Saya berharap saya telah selesai membajak sawah pagi ini.
Revolutionize. Tractors have revolutionized farming.
Merevolusi. Traktor telah merevolusi pertanian.
The new tractors are revolutionizing farming around here.
Traktor baru merevolusi pertanian di sekitar sini.
Modern machinery has revolutionized industry.
Mesin modern telah merevolusi industri.
Employ. Factories employ both male and female workers.
Mempekerjakan. Pabrik-pabrik mempekerjakan pekerja laki-laki dan perempuan.
This company employs 10 people.
Perusahaan ini mempekerjakan 10 orang.
If they had employed me, I would have worked hard.
Jika mereka mempekerjakan saya akan bekerja keras.
Punch a clock. If you work in a factory, you usually have to punch a clock.
Mengabsen jam. Jika Anda bekerja di pabrik, biasanya Anda harus mengabsen.
What time did you punch the clock this morning?
Jam berapa Anda mengabsen pagi ini?
As soon as he got to work this morning, he punched the clock.
Begitu dia mulai bekerja pagi ini, dia mengabsen jam.
That's the end of the lesson. Please be kind enough as to subscribe, like and share this link to others. Thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.